on our way home from the AD. We're gonna have a special unboxing for you. It's sleek, it's gorgeous, it's affordable, it's unique, and damn classy. Can't wait to get into her. This is the Covert Crow, where we talk watches and more. Hold on to your hats, people. It's gonna be special. I better hold on to the steering wheel. Jeez. For a wow moment, what's on wrist? We're looking at the Bulova Lunar Pilot. Something special. It's hot. It is hot. Did I say it's hot? This is dangerous. I shouldn't be driving and talking like this. I'm so excited. I gotta pull over and we gotta take a closer look. Ooh boy. What have we got here? All right, my friends, you know what it is. You recognize the box. Let's take a deep look into it. Oh boy. Oh my, that looks stunning. Now that is what we call a great looking box. Oh boy, I know you're wondering. Is it gonna be military inspired? Is it gonna be one of their tool watches? Get away from there, fly. Interesting. Oh boy. Well, no better time than the present. Oh yes. The Hamilton Jazzmaster Viewmatic. Look at that. Wow. Let's get it out of there. Warranty card, boom. Extra links, excellent. Already sized for my just under 7¼ inch wrist. The nice Hamilton booklet and instruction manual. What are we waiting for? Let's get her on the wrist. Stainless steel case, gorgeous bracelet, push button deployment style clasp. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh my God, that's sexy. There's your beautiful wrist roll. That dial is unbelievable. The Hamilton Jazzmaster Viewmatic, also known as the Open Heart. Look at that, as you can see that movement and that balance wheel straight through. Beautiful two-tone. Love the white dial. Gold indices and numerals. Gorgeous vintage style hands. And of course I love a large second hand. As you can see, it's sweeping around that dial. Wow. Exhibition case. Sapphire both sides. She's a beaut. Bye-bye for now. So there you have it, my friends. The Hamilton Jazzmaster Viewmatic. The Open Heart. Reference number H32705151. Do me a favor. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it'll be at the Covert Crow. And drop me a DM. If you want any questions or concerns, shoot me a message and we'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon, because there's always more content coming. And of course, you don't want to miss the full review of the Hamilton Jazzmaster Viewmatic, the Open Heart. Cheers. See you on the next one.